Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can transfer our money from KuCoin to Binance. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, then hit up to your wallets and go to fiat and spot. Then suppose we will take an example of USDT, how we can transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance. You can send other cryptos as well in the similar fashion. So for that we will just go to USDT of Binance and click on deposit. Then we will select the network as Tron TRC20. It would be better. Here it is at the very end. Just select the address, click on get address. Copy this address from Binance, then go to KuCoin. Log into your account, then go to your asset overview. And here on the left hand side panel, you will see this option of withdraw. Just click on it, or you can also see it on the top. And here you need to paste the address that you just copied from Binance and select the network as TRC20. It should be there. Yeah, it is there. We can select it and click on confirm. We have taken TRC20 as the fees is minimum there, and otherwise it might cost more on other networks. Then fill the amount that you want to withdraw and then just click on withdraw. After that your USDT from KuCoin will be sent to Binance, and this is how you withdraw money from KuCoin to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.